video, we'll see how do we find HCF and LCM of fractions. HCF can be found out as HCF of numerators of the given fractions divided by LCM of denominators of the given fractions. Similarly, LCM can be found out as LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Now, first of all, let us find out HCF of numerators. 1, 5, 2, 4. So here you may note that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. That means the HCF for this has to be 1 only. Then LCM of 1, 5, 2, 4. Let us do that with a common division method. First, 2. 1 and 5 cannot be divisible. This will be 1, this will be 2. We already got it. Means from this I can say LCM is 2 into 5 into 2, which is 20. Therefore, what I did is these two things we found. This one we found, HCF of numerators, LCM we found. Now, LCM of denominators, that is LCM of 36927. LCM. So we'll do common method, common division. All are divisible by 3. Now 3. That's all. So LCM for this is 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. 9 2s are 18. 18 into 3, 54. Then I did this. The last HCF of denominators. HCF of 3, 6, 9, 27. So first number, you may notice I can write it as 3 into 1. Second number I can write it as 3 into 2. Third number I can write it as 3 into 3. Fourth number 3 into 3 into 3. So HCF will be common prime, which is 3 only. Therefore, HCF of 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 2 by 9, 4 by 27 is equal to HCF of numerators. That is this 1 divided by LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Here it is 54. So HCF is 1 by 54 and LCM of 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 2 by 9, 4 by 27 is equal to, what is that? LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. LCM of numerators is 20. HCF of denominators is 3. So LCM is 22. That is the solution for this particular question. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.